Hey, you beautiful souls. Too long didn't read version. Let's dive into some digital forensics and incident response. What better way to celebrate Memorial Day than dissecting some malware? Fun. Don't worry, no GIDRA, autopsy, FTK, or volatile needed this time. We're keeping it simple by just analyzing a text file. So, grab some popcorn, nerdy drinks, and let's get started. But first, a word from our sponsor, Synthwave Studios. Your one-stop shop for graphic design, video editing, social media management, and IT support. Whether you need to create stunning visuals or manage your online presence, Synthwave Studios has got you covered. Because why settle for mediocre when you can have the best? Check them out. All right, back to our regularly scheduled program. Our web server got hit with ransomware, but we managed to recover a suspicious script file that didn't seem to have been run yet. Let's analyze it, shall we? First things first, download the malicious file, extract it, and open it using the Vim text editor. Remember, kids, always run this in a disposable virtual machine. Malware is still malware, even if it's primitive. Question 1. Identify the malicious IP address. The script mentions a malicious IP address multiple times. Surprise, surprise, it's 185.141.25168. No points for creativity here, folks. Question 2. Removing yum logs. The script uses apt-get to retrieve tools and yum to install them. How do attackers cover their tracks? By deleting yum logs, of course. Why? To evade detection, hide evidence, and maintain persistence. They don't want us good guys tracing their activities. The command to do this? rm.rf/var/log/yum*. Question 3. First 3 words in /etc/mod. The script creates a message in the /etc/mod file. The first 3 words? Drumroll, please. You were hacked. So original, right? Question 4. Contact email address. The message in
Oh shit, here we go again.
/mod also contains a contact email address. It's nationalscience@protonmail.com, because nothing says professional hacker like a Proton Mail address. Question 5. Unusual file extension. When the files are encrypted, an unusual file extension is used. What is it? It's a dot followed by the radioactive icon. Seriously, they went with the radioactive icon. Question 6. Encryption process functions. There are 5 functions associated with the encryption process, executed in this order. Encrypt_sh, encrypt_grep_files, encrypt_home, encrypt_root, encrypt_de. Final question, C2. Server URL, the script checks a text file hosted on the C2 server. The full URL, http:/185, 141.25, 168/check_attack/o, txt. Because why not make it obvious?
Are you not entertained?
And there you have it, folks. Some static analysis made fun and easy. Stay safe out there, and remember, always run suspicious files in a VM. Until next time, peace. By the way, if you enjoyed this content and would like to support us, our donation links are in the description of this video down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe and alert out there.